This is Texas132, and this is a tour of this little Lego house. I started building this back in 2018, and then just didn't finish it for about a year and a half now. So I figured it's 99% done, so I should just film a video. So we'll spin it around. I did the siding. I used a bunch of these bricks with knobs to do the siding. Never did get the roof to stick on all the way. Have some detailing on the side here. Shut all the doors. It's a bit dusty. This was a Jaystepher tutorial from way back in 2018. It looks like the foundation is crooked and the deck is popping off. We may have to make this fast because my battery is dying. So, let's pop the roof off. We'll look at the second floor. I didn't get to finish the walls because I ran out of white bricks. But, if we pull the light over closer, I have a bed. The soap and the shampoo from the bathroom are over here for some reason. This cool closet, drawers, and then just containers. I used jumper plates for the window shutters for the outside, so it could be grooved. I used these parrot wings for the curtains. Here is the hallway. Never did get a door on that one. They have a large Lego room. You can build things in a colorful wall. If we go over here, we have a little bathroom. Some cool detailing. These bricks. Well, bricks with the groove. A shower stall, a sink, and the potty. Random stuff inside. So if we pop, oh, and you can see I even used the wrong color. The walls are tan. It must have been painting in this house. So here's the kitchen. I used bricks along this back wall here. I thought that would look cool. Brown shutters, or cabinets. The door to the car area. A buffet table. Well, a countertop to eat at. This little sofa I made. A TV with a game station. Game system. Here's the Jaystepher tutorial. This detailing at the bottom is from a tutorial Jaystepher did. I just wrapped it around this whole wall. I thought it looked really nice. And I wrapped it around this back wall. I did two different blues here, and I don't know if you can actually see it with the light. No. Maybe if I turn this one off. Yeah. I think you can barely tell that these are two different blues. So I did the flooring with bricks. I swear it's like I've never done a video before. So I did this flooring technique with plates going sideways. The floor is got a inset about 1 brick deep, so that this fits perfectly. Took a while to get everything to line up pretty well. And then just tiles for the kitchen. The only other room is the guest room / office. So we have a little office table. Small area to put your clothes for your guests. The other side of that wall with the brick siding. With the bed with some design here. So you just pop it down. It's got a little blanket. Perfect for a minifigure, which I don't have one near me. Yes, I do. Hold, please. This minifigure fits on the bed. And then a blanket. I got this from some friend's set. I think it was a magician set, actually. So this just pops right back up. So thank you for watching this video of this house. A few windows up in the front.